Trusses modeled in the Apogee layout program are imported into the Apogee design program for final engineering. In addition to importing trusses from layout, it is also possible for the designer to build trusses from scratch in Apogee Design. Design criteria are set up for each job and applied to the trusses when they are imported. Here, basic design information such as building code, top and bottom chord bracing, and web bracing schemes are entered. Next, the specified design loads for truss live and dead loads are entered. Wind design methods in Apogee Design allow the designer to build a model that exactly reflects actual job conditions while meeting the strict requirements of the applicable building code. Here, the design criteria for snow loading are set up. As with the wind loading, Apogee Design provides the designer the ability to set up an extremely complex snow loading model. With all design loading defined, the designer is now ready to import the truss profiles into Apogee Design. By selecting automatic loading, the designer ensures that all girder trusses will be properly loaded with tributary truss reactions. As trusses are imported, all design criteria are applied to each truss. Of course, any portion of this criteria can be changed later for any individual truss. As the program analyzes each truss, truss members are shown with a specific color to indicate mill thickness of the material required. This alerts the designer to where higher cost materials might occur in the truss. Then, using the powerful tools available in Apogee Design, the truss designer can reverse a web, remove a web, or add additional panel points in order to make the most efficient use of steel in the truss. Each time the truss is analyzed, the results window shows the designer the material and labor cost for that truss. This allows the designer to instantly see if his changes to the truss are having a positive effect on the cost of that truss. Here, the designer applies an ultraspan skewable hanger to a jack truss. This hanger will be used to attach the jack truss to a girder during field installation. As the designer works his way through each truss design, Apogee Design's powerful editing tools help him accomplish his task quickly, requiring a minimum number of mouse clicks. Here, the corner girder is analyzed. After analysis, the designer checks the engineering report and shop drawing to confirm the addition of ultraspan girder plate. This USGP will facilitate the attachment of jack trusses to the girder. Finally, the hip girder is analyzed. And with all trusses showing a green check for correct analysis, the designs are complete. It's time to visit Apogee Job Summary.